Welcome back to the channel, RK Auto Detailing. Today we have a 2010 Chevy Traverse. This vehicle has been owned for the last year and a half by the current owners, but it does not appear that it has come from the Midwest originally, as this vehicle shows no sign of rust anywhere. And very clean, no rips, stains. Interior is like 95+% there, solid. It is a good, solid vehicle cosmetically, inside and out. The only thing is, a few dents here and there, but the paint was very dingy. The vehicle's been through a few car washes here and there, but nothing to an extreme detail like this. First wash, I still had black dinge on there that just wasn't coming off. So I went through the second time, adding a general purpose cleaner with my soap, went through it, scrubbed it a little bit more, especially from under the door handles and hood all the way around, and then hit the front with my bug zapper, got all that cleaned up, and the mirrors. And then you'll see here we scrubbed the wheels, door jambs, got it really prepped and cleaned up so we could get it inside, get it clay burred, waxed, and a full interior detail. So enjoy and follow along here. As you could see in the earlier videos, my wife was slinging the camera. It was getting dusk and the lighting was getting bad, and I wanted to get this washed and done, but I had to wash it twice. The paint was very embedded with a lot of, and it's not so much dirt as it was just road film and dinge. So I had to get a harsher cleaner on there to break that off. Almost like putting a brightener on a semi-truck on the aluminum. But got that done and it really popped good. So I was satisfied with that, and it was definitely dark. It's 10 o'clock. Getting this situated in the garage. And we're gonna clay bar it and wax it tonight, and then get the interior wrapped up tomorrow. Get this thing delivered back to these folks. So I just wanted to get a little after shot after washing it. That front end was, I mean, the car is nice, but just that road film, that black road film, just, it was like a very transparent black coating over top of it. And like I said, I worked with the basic stuff, and I think I got just one side done, which was the passenger side, and I wasn't satisfied with that. So I went and got a little more harsher chemical, almost to the point I was ready to pull the decon out. It was getting bad enough, but from here down. So, and once I had done it with the car wash, just a simple soap, car wash soap. But once I had the chemical on there, it just, the black just rolled right off. So anyhow, I want to get this recorded just to see what I'm doing. We'll go from here, and I'll pop in a time or two and get this, how do I want to say, what I'm doing here with the clay barring and all. I'm sorry if I'm mumbling. I'm tired. So anyhow, that's what it looks like, and we'll continue on.